Yeah, boom. All right, ayinjalo Jig manje. Right, we continue with our series recap. Yani, your Muslim series recap, ne? Sharp. So the third episode was a very interesting episode lapho. Ngikhuluma ngesimo sani somuntu oqale indlela. Besikhuluma ngomqali wendlela. Eh Mangikhuluma nomakhosi laphana eh bengena bekhuluma isimo sani sokuthi indlela yabo, hhayi ukuthi eyabo indlela qale kanjani, cha. Umqali wendlela kuphi esigodini nakuphi nakuyithongo lakhe umuntu, uyabona leyo nto. So I'm talking about the first dynasty. So the first dynasty is basically the person who started the play, the lineage, started everything, and how they went about uh, consuming things and also went about doing things, right? So that they had to create a specific way and of completing specific things for your lineage and Ninage yourself, yabona? Because in reality, you can't call yourself Melapi, kodwa awukhulumi lutho ngomsamo. Unamanga, you're lying, you're a piece of shit, you're talking shit, you need to tell us the truth. Obviously, you can't call yourself a healer, but you can't engage on the topic of the first dynasty. Okusho ukuthi that automatically tells me you don't know where you're from. That also tells me ukuthi you've got no clue what illnesses you guys are capable of healing in terms of your lineage. Abantu bakini. That tells me that automatically. Automatically tells me that, and I once you start engaging in that, that tells me ukuthi umlawula umazi. That also tells me ukuthi abanikazi besibaya ubazi. So in essence, kahle kahle wena you are talking bullshit. Man of jail, I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't give a fuck who you are. And but if you don't know where you're from and you don't know what you guys are doing, what herbs you guys specialize in as a unit, as a family, and your lineage, especially the first dynasty. Hey, in fact, you're wasting my time. Wasting my time. First, hamba buze msamo. Hamba buze msamo phinde ubuye hamba uqedela. Because wena ugogodile mfana kithi. Don't come and ask me silly questions. Wasting my time, piece of shit. Tell you straight again, mina. Anginasikhathi sokudlala. So you can go there and listen and you'll hear it for yourself, right? When I do these lessons, I don't do them for myself. I do them for those folks that are going through it. If you're not going through it, very mfethu ngeke understand. Ngeke ungizwe. Forget it. Ngeke uzongizwa. You can say whatever you want. Nani, it's not gonna happen. Dango.